Hello, this video will be showing you how to add the data analysis tool pack in Excel. So the first thing is you open your Excel like this, and then you have to go and click on File. Then you'll come here on More, and then you'll click on Options. Wait for it to open. On Option, click on Add-ins, and then we'll click on Add-ins. Then you click on Manage Excel Add-ins here. Manage Excel Add-ins. Then go, and you will see your analysis toolpak. Make sure to check this analysis toolpak like that. Check this analysis toolpak and then click OK. And now your data analysis toolpak has been added. To check, you just click on data, and here it is, data analysis toolpak. Thank you. Subscribe for more. See you soon.